This is a geometry node modifier that helps to quickly convert any curve or text into a string lights. Make the curve as you want in the 3D scene. Switch to text if you want to use text. Write the text in the string field and click enter. It instantly changes and enter the text that you want. Next setting is for wire setting. Set the wire diameter. Its tilt value. Radial and length resolution. Next is the vertex corner bevel setting, to make the corners smooth. Use segments and amount to adjust the corner smoothness. Use bulb intensity to adjust the amount of the bulbs on the wire. Next is the emission setting. You can select the color that you want if the random color is turned off. Enable the random color, if you want to apply random emission colors in the bulbs. Use the red, green and blue option to adjust the intensity of color in the scene. Greater the value, more it will be seen in the bulb emission. Play with the options to get your desired random colors. Next is the rotation option. Use the rotation vector values to get directional rotation or use the random option to get random rotation of light bulbs. Next is the scale option. Use minimum and maximum values to set the size of the bulbs in the scene. You can anytime switch between the curve option or text option. I hope this video will be helpful for you to understand the functionality of this geometry node.